Welcome back. An offshore vessel of the Indian Coast Guard was launched on Gudi Padwa. GSL is in contract to build 6 more vessels for the Indian Coast Guard. The vessel will be delivered by 2017. Offshore patrol vessel GSL Yard 1220 is expected to reduce cost of fuel and less fatigue to officers on board.
Indian Coast Guard launched an offshore patrol vessel GSL Yard 1220. The ship has been constructed by the GSL for the Coast Guard. This vessel is expected to reduce fuel costs by providing additional comfort and less fatigue to the officers.
Kudos to my design team. This will directly lead to reduction in fuel-related costs over the life cycle of the ship, besides additional comfort and less fatigue to the crew with better seafaring characteristics.
These offshore patrol vessels, with the displacement of 2,350 tons and draft of 3.65 meters, are state-of-the-art ship with multi-role capabilities, including limited pollution response. These vessels will be capable of achieving a sustained speed of 23 knots with a range of 6,000 nautical miles.
This is the second vessel launched following a successful launch of the first ship in November 2014. Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Kurtore MLA Alex Regina Lawrence has appealed the government to encourage farming to increase agricultural production. Reginald, along with the farmers, have demanded that subsidy on harvesting machines should be reinstated. He has also demanded that government should give good support price to the farmers. Reginald has threatened to launch an agitation with farmers if these demands are not fulfilled.
Alex Reginald, along with the farmers, held a meeting and informed media that massive agricultural land conversions are on in the state. He has alleged that cronies of BJP leaders are involved in the illegalities.
ते साइडीन सावंडेच्यान ते साइडीच्यान इवन भाटा एग्रीकल्चरल प्रॉपर्टी पासून डेव्हलप करूंक लागले आनी नथिंग हॅज बीन डन. देर इज नो चेक. अशे भाशेन इवन उलोवप जाता की दॅट पॅरलल कन्वर्शन पासून चालू आहा म्हूण एंड द बीजेपी एमएलएचे इवन क्रॉनीज आर देर म्हणून इंटू इनवॉल्ड.
हे सबसिडी मेट म्हणून आमी ती शेतां रोयताय लिवपाक. जर जरी काट केले जाल्यार आमी शेत रोवपाक पावची नाय. आणि दुसरी सुवात तो आमकां भाता सबसिडी दिता जे आमकां काँग्रेस सरकार आसतलो आमकां टाटको मेळटाले सबसिडी. आतां आमी गेले त्या आयंगणाची सबसिडी आतां ही आयंगण लिवपाक जालें आनी 3 पीक जाली तिसरी पीक अजून आमकां सबसिडी येयलो ना.
Reginald has demanded government to give good support price to farmers.
मुगे मागणी हितू अनएम्प्लॉयड लोक आहा हितू भुरगे अनएम्प्लॉयड तांकां एम्प्लॉय करे एक एक मिशनाको एक एक मनीस धरे चेक करे सारकें पूण सबसिडी बंद करनाका.
Reginald, along with farmers, have threatened to launch an agitation if their demand is not fulfilled. Reporter Savia Dias for Prudent.
Sporting Club de Goa fought back from 2 goals deficit to hold East Bengal to a 2-all draw in the ILeague on Saturday. The Kolkata Giants looked in total command in front of the fans before the Flaming Orange staged a late fight back. Anthony Wolfe scored both goals for Sporting, who also benefited from debutant Odafa Okori's good display. ILeague top scorer Randy Martins had earlier scored both goals for East Bengal.
This is the first time I think 3 Goans team, they are below of the table, they are downside of the table.
Yes, the players are lining up. Both the teams are well equipped with quality attackers on the front. Oh, the whistle, and that is the start of the game. It's Kingfisher East Bengal who will be attacking from the right to left of your television screen. Alongside me, one of the greatest Indian footballers of all time, Shabbir Ali. Shabbir, welcome to the commentary box once again.
Thank you so much.
This is Kingfisher East Bengal. The goal for you. Look the way he trapped from his steps, and what a finish. The goalkeeper got wrong-footed.
Yeah, so nicely trapped and turn and taken.
Chance to score is the goal. This is an own goal, rather. Anthony Wolf and Sporting Club de Goa right back into this encounter.
See,
unselfish play. What a ball! And it was Victorino Fernandez who actually assisted. This is Tutu Magbemi. He's still with the ball. He's still twisting and turning. Good chance. That was not the ideal ball. Final scoreline. It's Kingfisher East Bengal 2, Sporting Club de Goa 2.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.